Feeling cramped by your bulky desktop tower? Yearning for a powerful PC that fits on your desk like a superhero landing? Well, fret no more, tech enthusiasts, because today we're diving into the world of mini PCs. These tiny titans offer incredible performance in a fraction of the space. But with so many options, how do you pick the right one? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most powerful mini PCs of 2024. Links and prices will be included in the description below. Let's jump right into it. 5. Apple Mac Studio. Unleash your creativity with the Apple Mac Studio, the ultimate mini PC for creative professionals. Forget the limitations of a typical desktop. The Mac Studio packs a powerhouse punch in a remarkably compact design. Crafted from a single block of aluminum, it boasts a sleek and sturdy exterior with a surprisingly small footprint, just 7.7 inches square and 3.7 inches tall. But don't let its size fool you. This mini marvel is a creative powerhouse. We put the Mac Studio through its paces, and it emerged victorious. From editing eye-popping 8K video to wielding the advanced AI features of Adobe Photoshop, the Mac Studio handled everything with ease. It even tackled a detailed 3D scene with memory requirements exceeding most dedicated graphics cards found in professional PCs, all while maintaining impressive near silence. The Mac Studio stands alone. You simply won't find another PC that delivers this level of performance in such a compact form factor. While its laser focus on creative professionals might make it a niche choice, it offers a generous selection of ports for seamless connectivity. If you crave a powerful and ultra-compact creative companion, the Apple Mac Studio is a dream come true. 4. GMK Nukebox K1. While the Mac Studio reigns supreme for pre-configured creative power, the GMK Nukebox K1 takes a different approach: upgradability. This mini PC caters to users who enjoy tinkering and customizing their machines for specific needs. The K1 shines with its bare-bones option, offering a cost-effective base. This lets you outfit it with the exact DDR5 memory, NVMe storage, and operating system you desire. Pre-built configurations offer convenience, reaching up to 32 GB RAM and 1 TB storage, making it suitable for those who prefer a more plug-and-play experience. Just like other top mini PCs, the K1 boasts an impressively compact design. In fact, it's one of the smallest we've tested, minimizing desk space without sacrificing performance. However, a minor letdown is the lack of Thunderbolt compatibility, despite featuring USB 4.0. Performance-wise, the K1 delivers a solid showing, especially after a memory upgrade. Our tests revealed significant improvement by swapping the single 16 GB module for a dual-channel setup using crucial DDR5 4800 SOBITIA-MMs. This boosted performance to near Ryzen 7 7735 HS levels. So, if you choose a non-upgraded version, barebones or 16 GB RAM, consider adding a second memory module to unlock its full potential. 3. Gcam AS6. While the Gcam AS6 might appear identical to its predecessor, the AS5, on the outside, a peek under the hood reveals a significant performance leap. This mini PC boasts a Zen 3 Plus processor and DDR5 memory, resulting in a dramatic boost in power compared to the previous model. The AS6 boasts a compelling combination of features: increased bandwidth thanks to DDR5 memory, a processor designed for efficiency, a superior integrated GPU, and a robust PCIe 4.0 infrastructure all contribute to its impressive performance. While not perfect, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The cooling system can be noisy, the chassis is entirely plastic, and the motherboard retains the two-part design with a flexible ribbon cable connector, a layout used by Asus. On the bright side, the AS6 embraces the latest advancements in connectivity. It features USB 4.0 ports, and both of its 2280M 2 NVMe slots are Gen 4, allowing you to add high-performance storage alongside a traditional 2.5-inch SATA drive. While the included NVMe drive is only Gen 3, upgrading it for faster performance is a simple and affordable solution. The AS6 falls within a price range of $659 to $749, with the main variation depending on the processor option you choose. Despite the cost, it offers excellent value, especially considering the standard 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 TB of storage. For users seeking a powerful mini PC capable of tackling demanding office tasks with ease, the Gcom AS6 emerges as a strong contender. 2. Beelink U59 Mini PC. The Beelink U59 is a compact PC that punches above its weight in processing power. Despite its unassuming size, similar to an NUC Mini PC, the U59 packs an Intel Celeron N5105 processor, offering a capable 4 cores and 4 threads for smooth handling of everyday tasks. RAM options range from 8 GB to 16 GB, ensuring you can choose the level of multitasking ability you need. Storage options go up to 512 GB with a pre-installed SATA SSD, but the U59 doesn't stop there. This mini PC shines in its upgradability. The 8 GB RAM can be bumped up to 16 GB for those who require more intensive use. Additionally, the M2 SATA storage slot allows for easy upgrades if you crave more space. But wait, there's more. The U59 boasts a dedicated bay for a 2.5-inch drive, providing extensive storage options to fit your needs. What truly sweetens the deal is the attractive price tag on both the 8 GB and 16 GB models. Beelink avoids cluttering the system with bloatware, keeping Windows 11 clean and efficient. This, combined with the dual HDMI outputs and dual gigabit LAN ports, makes the U59 a perfect candidate for various embedded applications. Imagine using it for product presentations with its dual display capabilities, or even setting it up as a secure firewall for your network. The Beelink U59 stands out as an exceptional value proposition in the NUC-sized PC market. Its affordability caters to tight budgets, while its capabilities make it a versatile companion for everyday tasks, basic office work, or even embedded applications. 1. Apple Mac Mini M2 2023. While the Apple Mac Mini might not claim the title of the absolute smallest mini PC, it muscles its way to the top of our list thanks to the sheer power it delivers in a surprisingly compact chassis. Boasting the lightning-fast M2 and M2 Pro chips, the aptly named Mini tackles any challenge with ease, from running basic office applications and web browsing to conquering intensive creative tasks like photo and video editing. The Mac Mini truly shines when it comes to performance. It devoured every benchmark test we put it through, achieving results that rival its portable powerhouse cousin, the MacBook Pro. Even the price tag makes it a compelling option in the mini PC market, starting around $600/£600. Budget-minded users might also find occasional deals on the still impressive M1 model, offering excellent performance at a more attractive price point. However, it's important to remember that the Mac Mini is an Apple device through and through. This translates to a streamlined experience within the company's ecosystem. Unlike most mini PCs, there's no room for tinkering here. You won't find bare-bones options for customization, the ability to upgrade internal components, or the freedom to switch operating systems. This approach makes the Mac Mini ideal for users who prioritize a plug-and-play experience. Simply unpack, set up, and get down to business. The Mac Mini caters to those who crave a compact powerhouse from the get-go. It prioritizes raw processing muscle within a user-friendly Apple environment. If you're looking for a mini PC that seamlessly integrates with your existing Apple devices and offers top-tier performance in a space-saving design, the Mac Mini is a compelling choice. However, if you're a tinkerer who enjoys customizing and upgrading your hardware, you might be better suited with a different mini PC that offers more flexibility. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 most powerful mini PCs of 2024. Whether you're a budget-minded user, a creative professional, or a hardcore gamer, there's a mini PC out there that perfectly fits your needs and your desk space. What are you waiting for? Downsize your desktop and supercharge your productivity with a mini PC. Let us know in the comments below which mini PC caught your eye, and be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome tech content.